Discovering Your Skin Type, a guide for teenage girls. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we discuss about skin types, especially for teenage girls, so they can easily figure out what kind of skin they have and how to maintain it. So without any delay, let's get started. First, let's talk about the main skin types: normal, oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Each type has its own characteristics. Normal skin. If your skin feels balanced, not too oily and not too dry most of the time, you likely have normal skin. Your pores are small and your skin feels smooth and even. Oily skin. If your skin gets shiny and greasy, especially on your forehead, nose, and chin, the T-zone, you have oily skin. Your pores might look larger, and you might be prone to acne and blackheads. Dry skin. If your skin feels tight, rough, or flaky, especially after washing your face, you have dry skin. Your pores are usually small, and your skin might look dull. Combination skin. If your T-zone is oily but your cheeks are dry or normal, you have combination skin. It's like having two skin types at once. Sensitive skin. If your skin gets irritated easily, turns red, or reacts to certain products, you have sensitive skin. You might also feel a stinging or burning sensation sometimes. Now that you know your skin type, you can choose the right products to take care of it. For oily skin, look for oil-free and non-comedogenic products. And don't forget to moisturize. In next video we discusses about the skincare routine briefly of each skin type with suitable product suggestion according to the skin type. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.